everybody, it's Brooke with Re-Fabbed, and this is spur of the moment, impromptu, and I'm like, I've got to come talk to my friends, I've got to do some painting, and Hannah saw the cutest sign today on Jane.com, and we're like, oh my gosh, we could totally do this. Say we, it's her idea. She saw it, she brings it to me. I'm like, yeah, let's do it. And I'm gonna try to replicate it in my own way. This is the sign that was for sale on Jane.com today that Hannah saw. How cute is that? 3 little rainbows. Is that not adorable? And it's not your traditional rainbows, you know, the colors of Roy G. Biv. So some of y'all might be freaking out, but so cute. And so we're like, I had this piece right here from Hobby Lobby. I had it on stash. That's what happens when you are a hoarder of craft supplies. You have what you need on hand at all times, seems like, okay? So I had this on hand. It's a little different than the one in the picture. We're like, oh, we could do that. But here's what I want to do. I'm going to turn it up like this and do my 3 rainbows going down. And then we're going to try to replicate this with our own style and with our own colors of paint. We're just going to go by what that looked like and try to replicate it. Because when you see something that you really like, sometimes it's just as easy and definitely more fun to make one yourself. So I had a long sign like that. Their rainbows were going side to side. Mine's going to go up and down, okay? So make sure you're sprinkling this video, which is just a fancy word for share, because Facebook does not like when you say that. They want you to do it, but they don't like you to say it. I don't know. Don't ask me. I will take a picture of all of these paints at the end instead of me trying to like explain what each one is. I've just got a lot of paint from my stash, and I'm just going to use a bunch of fun colors and make these rainbows, okay? So I will definitely show you in the end what all colors I'm using so that you can replicate it if you want to exactly like this. But more than likely, you're not going to replicate it exactly like me anyway. You're going to put your own spin on it, okay? Look at this plethora of beauty. How pretty are those colors, okay? So we're just going to we're going to wing it. I don't know any other way to do it besides winging it, so that's what we're going to do. And more than likely, I'm going to use this same brush for most of it, okay? This little brush right here, I don't even know what you call it because I'm not a painter by all, how do I word this? I'm just not a professional painter. I don't know the names of all the brushes. I just do it I think looks pretty. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm using this as a little flat top. So these are all colors that are in Eden's room, and we're just going to kind of roll with it. I'm going to use this color first. It's like a pink, and I'm just literally, I don't have any, I don't have any template. I'm just doing this. This pink is way too light, so I'm glad I know that. This does not show up, so here's what I'm going to do on that. I'm going to add a little bit of dark pink, because I've got dark pink, to my light pink and make a medium pink. Just mixing it up right over here, as you can see. And then I'm just going to kind of go back over my rainbow, my top part of my rainbow anyway. And we want this to be whimsy. This is not going to be some perfect rainbow, but it's going to be so cute in my little girl's room. I think so. If it's bad and ugly, I'll paint over it. That's a good thing about paint, right? So this is the first bow of my rainbow. Is that what you call it? Gosh, sounded really dumb probably. And this is why I say I'm not a professional painter. I take the same brush, I go like this, I wipe it off on my paper towel and just go to the next color. That's what I do, okay? So now we're gonna go to this purple, because we're gonna try to do colors that kind of fall in line with each other a little bit. So we'll just see how this works. So I'm gonna go up now. And we try to make each one just a tiny bit thinner than the one before. And this may be ugly, y'all. Y'all might be watching a disaster in the making. I don't know. But that's what's cool about live. If you are, at least you get to see it live. Okay, because I have never done one of these. Except now with y'all. Okay, so here is the purple. We may come back and kind of add a stroke or two of paint later. I don't know. But this is what it looks like so far. I just try to show y'all step by step. So this is what we're at so far. We're going to do one more color, maybe two more. I'm going to start with one more, and then at the end, if I feel like it needs a fourth, we'll just do a fourth, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and just wipe. I'm not even putting it in the water. I know that that seems so strange to some people. This is just how I paint. So now I'm going to take my coral, and I'm going to do that. Let me see what the actual name is. Vintage Pink. It kind of looks coral to me. So anyway, we're just going to roll with it. And we're going to do my smaller one. And I'm sticking out my tongue, which I try not to do when I'm live, but you know, who cares? Okay. Look at these three colors together. I have to say that I really like these three colors together. How cute is this? Yes. Gosh. Okay, that's cute. I think this is going to turn out pretty cute. I'm wondering if this is going to even turn out cuter than theirs. I don't know. I'm not going to say it is. And if you made that and you're on this live, please do not take offense that I'm copying it. I'm putting my own spin on it. It's not because I didn't think yours was beautiful. I just wanted to make my own. So I'll make sure to just kind of clear that up a little. Okay, so we're going to start our next rainbow. This is where I start to get nervous. Because I'm like, okay, I just kind of got to wing it and go with it. And I hope it don't look totally different from the first one. But, you know, we're just going to go with it. I'm using the same brush. And we're going to use this pretty teal. OMG. This is gorgeous. Y'all know I just adore everything about this color. I cannot help it. It is by far my favorite color. Every shade of it. I love it. Oh, it's so pretty. And Eden's got a lot of this in her room. She's got a lot of other colors too. She's got a very colorful room. I can't wait to share it with y'all. I did share with you her furniture makeover the other day. Did y'all see that blog post about the furniture I painted in her room? If you did, let me know what y'all thought about that. I thought it turned out really pretty. I absolutely love how it turned out. So let me know if y'all saw it. Wait, that is not even. Not that it has to be perfect, because, you know, we don't do perfect, but that was definitely lacking. So I need to kind of fix it just a tad. Okay. We can go back and add something later if we want to. Okay. So I'm going to do that color. Then I'm going to do Key West, which y'all know I love me some Key West. I was going to try to answer it. Something about painting upside down. I paint it. I don't paint upside down. It is easier for me to do it right side up. I'm not sure if that was the question because I couldn't read the whole thing. But look at this. 2 layers of teal. How cute is this though? Because here's the truth. What's cool about when you're mixing kind of shades like this that are the same is they kind of start blending with each other when you're doing it, and that's really, really pretty. So I got these 2 colors, and now I think what I'm gonna do next is green. I know it's not really the same, I'm very aware of that, but and I'm gonna dip it in my very light pink. The one that I said earlier was too light. I'm gonna kind of use it like a white, and I'm dipping my green in there to lighten it up just a tiny bit. And y'all, it's turning into a really pretty color. I'll show you. Okay, let me try to see how I'm gonna do this here. Yeah, yep. Good move, Brooke. Good move, Brooke, way to go. Pat myself on the back a little bit. That turned the green into a really pretty green. It was just a little too bright. It's that spring green, which I love, but that's not the shade I needed right here. So I added it to my light pink, which is practically white. It was way too light for this project. And it just brought it down a notch. How cute, y'all. This is looking so cute so far. Now, I know it's not perfect. I'm way over here on this one, but who cares? It don't matter. Her mama painted it for her, and it's pretty colors, and these rainbows are looking cute. What do you think, Hannah?
That is so cute.
Ah! Okay, so we're going to do the third rainbow now, okay? Eden's going to like this. She's going to like it. She's going to want to paint her own, which I should let her. I've got so many canvases in there, she could totally paint one of these for her room. Let's see what I need to do now. I'm probably going to reuse some of these colors, but bring them into a different rainbow at the bottom. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to do hot pink. I haven't used that one yet. I may not do 3 more colors. I may do 3 different colors. Okay, so we're going to do hot pink first. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. This hot pink is everything. Y'all know I love me some hot pink, too, especially in Eden's room. Which, if y'all saw my office redo, then you know, well, it wasn't a redo, just we decorated it, and it's a new house. But then I've got a hot pink office chair. So I love pops of color. Love them. So how cute is this hot pink? So it's like you got some pastels, but then you also have it mixed with some bold colors. Oh gosh, so fun. And y'all, if you don't know how to make a rainbow, listen, I don't know how to make a rainbow either. I'm just going with it. So this is not perfect. So this should give you a lot of hope that you can make this, okay? Any little girl's room, be precious, a nursery, anything. So we've got that. Now I think I want to add, what do I want to add? Oh gosh, this is so difficult. I think I want to do some yellow next. Because I think pink and yellow beside each other is really pretty. I hope it looks good. If not, I will paint over it. Oh yeah. I try not to get these to mix too much like I can on my other colors because they are not the same color palette. Oh gosh, that's cute. That's really actually cuter than I expected, truthfully. I was trying to make a quick decision, trying to just go with it, not think too hard. And it's cute. The yellow is really cute. What do y'all think? Yellow, really cute. Seriously. Yes, y'all. So cute. Is it freaking any of y'all out that I'm not doing colors of the rainbow like Roy G. Biv? I just want to know. Don't be mean to me, but you can be honest. Because y'all know I'm not traditional with stuff like that. But I'm just wondering if it's just killing anybody that these aren't the traditional colors of the rainbow. Okay, so now we just need our third color for this last rainbow. And then we'll go back and decide, do we need a 4th color on these or do you think 3? Hey Damon, I think 3 is probably good. I'm trying to think what other color I might want on this one. Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna do another, well, I don't know. Oh my gosh, this is the hardest decision. I think I'm going to bring the light pink that I used at the very top back down and kind of bring them together. That's what I'm going to do, okay? So, what I did to make that color is I mixed my dark pink with my light pink earlier. And this won't be the exact same shade because, you know, it's never the same when you do it again. But that's okay because that just makes it kind of a new color. And then we'll just go with that. It'll be pretty. Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Worked out good. Yes. This is so cute. I'm sorry I'm not trying to toot my own horn. I just didn't know if it was going to turn out, and I was just hoping it would. I'm not trying to brag. I just think it's really cute. Okay. And y'all, this didn't take me no time. Y'all can do this. Let me look at it myself first, and I'm about to show it to y'all, okay? Oh, they're all different sizes and in different parts of the thing because, you know, but it's cute. Look, how cute. Do you like it?
Yes, even love it.
What do y'all think? How cute. Super easy. Super cute for a little girl's room. Just absolutely precious. Very simple. Very simple. Just 3 rainbows with 3 colors. I mean, it's just nothing to it, really. So, I love it. That just turned out really, really simple and really, really cute. And I will definitely show y'all this hanging on our wall. If you missed it, this was what we started. Oh, if I can reach my old body down here and pick it up. Shoot. Okay. This is what our inspiration for this was, okay? Oh, sorry. This was what our inspiration was. We saw this today online. Hannah found it, and she's like, Eden needs this for her room. You could totally do this. And so I'm like, yeah. But I liked the rainbows going up and down. So I just decided to do it like that. So this was the original. Y'all don't have to tell me if you like it better. You do not have to tell me. But if you like mine better, you can tell me. And then here's mine. So obviously I made it to where it matches her room. Really cute, really bright and colorful. She's gonna love it. And I got this at Hobby Lobby. On the back it says $14.99. It was half off. So it was about a $7 sign. And so about for $7 and some paint, I made this sign for my daughter. You really can't go wrong with that. Super cute, made by her mom. So y'all go grab you some stuff at Hobby Lobby and get to making y'all some for your house. This is cute, and it's about as easy as it gets. So y'all have an awesome day, and I will talk to y'all really soon. Bye, guys.